Alright guys, stay with me on this one. I found a little something unique over here. Maybe you have seen, maybe you haven't. Number one, I just want to point out how close to sea level you actually are. And then we're going to crawl under this gate right here because there's something around the corner I want you to see. All this land tends to be, or it looks to be, for sale. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to climb under this gate real quick and find out. That, my friends, is an old train. I don't know why it's here, but it's sitting on rails, and it is an old train, and I am fascinated by old things like that. So I just happened to see it down here right next to the ocean, and again, this is on the non-touristy side of this is on the non-touristy side of Koh Chang. Let me get out of here before I get in trouble.